One of the earliest industries to use software for resource management was the manufacturing sector. The complexity of the procedures and decision-making involved in a manufacturing business is the cause. For organizations in the manufacturing sector, Tally has several incredible features. Tally Prime goes beyond Tally in terms of its industry-specific features. Purchasing the manufacturing module for manufacturers can help you make the most of Tally. The Tally Prime manufacturing module contains all the capabilities a manufacturing company may possibly require. It can assist companies in improving their decisions and reducing wasteful spending throughout the manufacturing process. One of a manufacturing company's largest assets is its inventory. For optimal resource allocation, raw materials, semi-finished products, and final commodities must be well managed. The decision maker must be given a thorough report on the inventory's availability. This will make it easier to make informed judgments about purchases, stock availability, and supply shortages. By including barcode management in Tally, this process is made simple. Simple scan for entering stock information in Tally. In Tally, automate error-free stock tracking. Tally offers some incredible reports, such as the stock summary report that gives the stock's full details. To ensure speedy and effective retrieval, you can also organize stock in Tally according to racks or bins. Planning your materials is crucial. If not done correctly, you could miss out on possibilities to save money. Before choosing to buy raw materials from vendors, a variety of variables must be considered. Demand forecasting, purchase planning, and production scheduling are all integrated in the Tally manufacturing module. Demand forecasting is crucial because it enables you to compare data over time and estimate demand while taking prior purchases into account. This is a crucial component because you don't want to experience issues like overstocking or understocking. Planning for purchases includes all of the preparation necessary before making purchases or locating raw supplies. The first step in the entire manufacturing process is this one. The purchasing department needs to be made aware of both the required stock and the stock that is currently on hand. This will guarantee that there is no stock waste or merchandise sitting about in the inventory. Production scheduling and planning is an important step in ensuring the whole process of manufacturing goes on smoothly. From getting the raw materials on time to getting it processed, and finally delivery of the product, the whole process is timed and informed to the departments involved. There is zero wastage in such a planned production. Quality consistency is the key to retaining customers. Customer retention is possible only when the product is of the best possible quality and over the time this quality is maintained. Tally ensures quality of your products by providing parameters to check the quality of the products. Thus it ensures all your products are of the standard quality as set by the Tally user.